All right, let me tell you the origin story. Originally, there was a shower here. There was a wall on my left that came out about 12 inches, making this shower really, really small. And there was a curb, so the homeowner had a very hard time getting into the shower because she's handicapped. So I had the opportunity to come in and redesign this bathroom, and we didn't have the ability to blow the bathroom out, make the bathroom larger, but what we could do is eliminate some old stuff that this bathroom had. And one was the curb. We were able to get rid of that and make this a curbless shower. Second is this wall was about 12 inches thick right here. So we were able to push all of this back and get all this plumbing in the wall. And the shower valve used to be right here. So what I've done is I've actually taken the shower valve and put it on the right side so that when she comes in, she can turn water on here and not get wet and not have to worry about cold, super cold water or super hot water, so she can get the temperatures proper. I still left the head over here on my left so that she can utilize it, but I also put another shower head down below so she can actually use it as a sprayer or a massager. So it's a two-in-one kind of feature for her.